A clean HRV runs more smoothly, saves energy, and lasts longer. And you can clean it yourself. You will need a screwdriver, a vacuum, a bucket, some mild soap, and water. That's it. Before you begin, be sure to check your HRV owner's operation manual for specific instructions about your unit. Step 1. Turn off your HRV and unplug it. Step 2. Clean the air filters every 2 to 3 months. Remove the filters, vacuum the dirt, wash with mild soap and water, and air dry, or replace them if they can't be cleaned. Step 3. Clean the heat exchange core once a year. Vacuum the core, wash it with soap and water, and air dry. Step 4. Check the fans once a year. Gently brush any dirt off the blades. Step 5. Inspect the condensate drain. It's a pipe or plastic tube coming out of the bottom. Slowly pour about 2 liters of clean water in each drain pipe inside the HRV to make sure it's flowing freely. If it backs up, clean the drain. Alternatively, remove the drain pipe from the unit to clean. Step 6. Put all dried parts back in the unit. Remember to check outdoor intake and exhaust hoods. Remove leaves and other debris blocking vents. Good airflow is essential. In winter, clear away any snow or frost blocking outside vents. Also, once a year, inspect the indoor ductwork leading to and from your HRV for damage and air leaks. Clean the grills covering the duct ends and vacuum inside the ducts. If a more thorough cleaning is required, contact your local HRV service technician. Plug in your HRV and turn it on.